Wait, you're still using 5 different apps to study? Let me show you something embarrassing. One app. I closed all of them. Okay, so right now I'm only using one tool for everything. Studying, presentations, generating images, writing. One. And it's TeraBox. I know. You probably think it's just a storage app. There's an entire AI workspace inside it that almost nobody is talking about. Let me show you what's actually in here. Okay, so AI Notebook. You know how you watch a lecture, pause it, switch to your notes app, forget what you were going to write, go back, rewind. That whole painful loop? Gone. You paste in literally anything. A YouTube URL, a PDF, an audio recording, a video file. It takes it all. No setup, no converting, it just works. First, it gives you a full structured summary. Key points, main ideas, everything pulled out automatically. You don't have to skim a 2-hour video anymore or figure out what actually matters. But here's the actual thing. You can watch the video inside the app while taking notes at the same time. Side panel, right there. No switching tabs. And your notes automatically link to the exact timestamp you wrote them at. So later, you just click and jump back to that moment. Google Notebook LM doesn't do this. That's the difference. Then one more click and it generates a mind map, flashcards, and a quiz. All from the same material you uploaded. So instead of just consuming, you're actually studying. I used this before a certification exam, and it was genuinely unfair how fast and efficient it made everything. Now this one, AI Presentation Maker. You type a topic. It goes and finds the information, builds the structure, designs the slides. A full deck. You didn't open Google, you didn't touch a template, you didn't argue with font sizes for an hour. But the feature I keep coming back to is Beautify slides. Say you already have a presentation. You made it yourself. It has all the right content. It just looks like it was made at midnight. You upload it. It keeps everything you wrote. Every word, every point, exactly where you put it. It just makes it look like a designer touched it. For a class presentation, a work report, a client deck, this is the move. Works on mobile browser too. No app download. Just open it on your phone and build a deck in 2 minutes before a meeting. Oh, and one more thing they quietly added. Image generation. You type one sentence, literally just describe what you want, and it creates the image. I typed, a student surrounded by floating holographic notes at night, and it gave me something I would have paid for on a stock photo site. It's inside the same app. No switching, no separate tool, no subscription to something else. Everything just lives in one place. Honestly, I'm a little annoyed I didn't find this sooner. This would have saved me so much time. And the crazy part? It's completely free to get started, so there's really no reason not to try it. If you're curious, I've put the link in the description. When you open it, don't overthink it. Go straight to the notebook feature first. That's where it really clicks. Just spend a minute or two playing around with it, and you'll immediately get what I'm talking about. I'm telling you, once you try it, you're going to wish you found this way earlier.